What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Craftsman compact blower. Now, it will be easy in this weekend because I expected to put this blower here this heavy. Which it's like I expected this thing, as you can see, because you see how much I expected this machine exactly. It's still got two bars in the battery, you can see how much I expected this thing. Which it's definitely how much I expected this thing, so I do hope some point this thing will get used again this weekend. I promise if I hope this phone battery does not die on me this weekend, because if it does, then we had to use a 6 hour battery on this thing, which is not bad in my opinion. You see, I mean, this is a CMCB 100, and which I do like the same one because you see how much expected this machine is getting used almost like quite a bit, because you can see how much expected. See how I expected this thing, which it's quite a nice looking machine in my opinion, but I do like this thing. So this thing will get used again this weekend. And you know how I expected that thing. I expected this machine. You see how I expected this thing exactly. Because you know I expected this exactly, which is definitely how I expected this machine exactly, which it will get used again this weekend because you see, I mean, this blower is probably, I mean, this blower ever since it was used since back in May of last year, which is how I expected thing, which is definitely how I expected. So I do hope some point this thing will get used again this weekend, because I know since very easy, because it will blow some grass a little bit, because I know since the fact you can see how much expected this thing. Because you know I expected this blower is actually going to get used almost like quite a bit, because it will get used again this weekend. I promise you this thing will be used again this weekend, because you know how I expected the same exactly, which I know since that easy. But this is not a bad looking blower in my opinion, because you can see with the 6 hour battery and 4 amp battery and thing exactly, it definitely has much more power in my opinion, because it doesn't cut off like the 1.5 battery you can see. But you can see how much I expected the same exactly, which is definitely how I expected the same, which I know since the fact easy how much I expected the same exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine cycle, but don't surprise this thing is that he's probably to get news almost like this weekend. So you know I expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine cycle, but don't surprise this thing is actually gonna get used almost right, so this thing will be used again this weekend.